Dash cams enhance car safety by recording incidents, preventing fraud, improving driving behavior, and providing crucial evidence during accidents or disputes. My today's video is about top 5 best dash cams for car safety that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Rover 2-4K Dual Dash Cam. The Rover 2-4K Dual Dash Cam delivers a premium level of protection with true dual-channel recording. The front camera captures sharp 4K footage at 30 frames per second, while the rear records in 1080p, ensuring full road coverage with wide 150 degrees and 140 degrees angles. Powered by the Sony Starvis 2 sensor and large f1.5/f1.8 apertures, it performs impressively in low light, producing clear and detailed night recordings. Built-in 5G per 2.4G Wi-Fi enables fast video transfers up to 20 megabytes per second through the mobile app, making sharing and management effortless. GPS integration adds valuable speed, route, and location data for stronger evidence in incidents. With features like G-Sensor, loop recording, voice alerts, and a free 128GB card, it's highly practical. The advanced parking mode provides 24/7 surveillance, while the supercapacitor improves durability. Overall, this dash cam combines reliability, smart features, and high-quality imaging for complete driving security. Now our second product is Red Tiger 4K Dash Cam Front Rear. The Red Tiger F7 NP Dash Cam stands out as a powerful all-in-one driving safety solution, combining ultra-clear 4K front and 1080p rear recording for complete road coverage. With the advanced Starvis 2 sensor, f1.5 aperture, and wide 170 degrees per 140 degrees lenses, it captures sharp, well-balanced footage even in challenging lighting conditions. WDR and HDR enhancement further improve night visibility, making it highly dependable for both day and night driving. Its built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi ensures extremely fast video transfer up to 20 megabytes per second via the Red Tiger Cam app, allowing easy playback, downloads, and GPS tracking of routes, speed, and location. The included memory card and loop recording provide uninterrupted storage management, while important incidents are automatically protected through the G-Sensor. For security, 24/7 parking mode adds continuous protection, and the supercapacitor design improves heat resistance and long-term reliability. Backed by an 18-month warranty, the F7 NP delivers strong performance, safety, and convenience for everyday drivers and long journeys alike. Our third product is Sufkin Dash Cam Front and Rear. The Sufkin Triple Dash Cam offers complete 360-degree style protection with its 3-channel recording system, featuring a 170 degrees front camera, 150 degrees cabin view, and 150 degrees waterproof rear camera. This wide coverage significantly reduces blind spots, making it ideal for family cars, rideshare drivers, and long-distance travelers. The IPS display ensures clear visibility from any angle, providing a sharp and distortion-free viewing experience. Equipped with a G-Sensor, the camera automatically locks footage during sudden impacts or collisions, ensuring critical evidence is never overwritten. Its parking monitor adds extra security when the vehicle is stationary. Loop recording efficiently manages storage by overwriting older files, and the included 32GB SD card makes it ready to use right out of the box. For night driving, infrared LEDs combined with WDR and HDR technology deliver clear, balanced footage even in low-light conditions. Easy plug-and-play installation and user-friendly controls make this dash cam practical, reliable, and highly accessible for everyday driving safety. Now number 4, FAMI 4K plus 2K plus 2K 3-channel dash cam. The FAMI 3-channel dash cam delivers a powerful surveillance upgrade with its 4K front, 2K cabin, and 2K rear recording system, ensuring complete vehicle coverage from every angle. The wide 170 degrees front and 150 degrees rear lenses significantly reduce blind spots, making it highly effective for accident evidence, insurance protection, and fraud prevention. Whether for personal driving or rideshare work, it provides dependable, all-around recording. Its night performance is equally impressive, featuring an f1.8 large aperture lens, 6-layer glass optics, and WDR technology that produce clear, well-balanced footage even in challenging low-light or high-contrast environments. License plates and road signs remain readable during night drives or early morning commutes. With a free 128GB high-endurance card, loop recording, G-sensor locking, and optional parking mode, it ensures 24/7 vehicle protection. Built-in GPS adds precise speed and route tracking, while dual-band Wi-Fi with app control allows fast video access and sharing. Backed by strong support and warranty, it's a reliable all-in-one dashcam solution. And our last choice is Teransui 4K Plus 4K Dashcam Front. The Teransui Dashcam delivers a true premium-level surveillance system with its dual 4K front and rear recording, ensuring ultra-detailed footage from both directions. The 170 degrees wide-angle front lens captures multiple lanes clearly, making it highly effective for highways, traffic disputes, and accident documentation. With continuous loop recording and a pre-installed 128GB card, it is ready to use immediately, while support for up to 512GB adds long-term flexibility. Safety is strengthened through the built-in G-sensor, which automatically locks collision footage, along with a manual emergency lock button for quick protection of critical clips. Night performance is impressive thanks to f1.5/f1.8 apertures, WDR, and advanced starlight vision, delivering bright, clear recordings even in low-light driving conditions. Smart connectivity via 5.8 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi allows fast video downloads, app control, and firmware updates. Built-in GPS further enhances evidence quality by recording speed, route, and location data. With 24-hour parking monitoring, easy installation, and strong after-sales support, this dashcam ensures complete and reliable vehicle protection. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.